G'day YouTube, Dishy here again. This is basically just going to be a quick bit on my everyday carry. Pretty much in response to Brother's Keeper, 111. Go check him out if you haven't already. He's also running a 1000 sub contest, but this isn't an entry to this. Basically it's just going to be my EDC that I have in my pockets. So we'll kick things off with the obligatory wallet. Standard black leather wallet. Nothing special about that at all. Just your standard black variety wallet. As you can probably tell, I've had this one a fair while now. Just a little while. No, that's coins, you dirty buggers. Nothing else. So, got the wallet. The obligatory mobile phone. Nothing too special. Just your straight Nokia E75. Slide out keyboard so I can talk to my daughter, who seems to be more technical savvy than I am. So that's the mobile. Stick him over there like that. No, we'll do even better, we'll put it up on there. There we go. Well, there even. Yeah, that looks better. Dear oh dear, losing the plot. Next we have the watches. Well, watch. This is my everyday carry watch. It's an Australian brand called Loyal, and the model is a Conqueror. Nothing too fancy, but it does the job for me. Now if I'm going out or anything like that, I do have another watch I wear, only pretty much on special occasions, but I do wear this one, so I thought I'd better show it. Rolex Daytona 24 hour 92 model, and yes, it is genuine, it's not a fake. It's beautiful, beautiful watch. A very lucky boy to have one of these. But anyway, that's my dress watch, if you like. Special occasion watch. Then we have the obligatory, as you can probably hear by that, keys with lanyard. Thank you very much, Sober. That is about the most amount of gear I will carry on my keyring. I don't like a whole lot of stuff hanging off the keys. Basically car keys, house keys, safe key. Mickey Mouse from my daughter's trip to the USA, obviously Disneyland, so that's my keys. Again, nothing too flash or anything there. Because this is Australia, this is almost mandatory. Sunglasses, genuine Oakleys. I actually don't know too much about these ones. They're called a straight, well that's the model, made in the USA, sexy blue. I like them because they do stand out, and not many people have these ones, so I can't really lose them. I'll soon see if someone else is wearing them anyway. So, as I say, being in Australia, that's pretty much obligatory to have a good pair of sunglasses. Then we get on to the interest. Oh no, not quite. Seen this one before. Pre-on one. That's my everyday carry light. I never leave home without it. It's my American Express. Along with my American Express side of things, Leatherman Squirt PS4 in red scales with high vis lanyard, obviously high visibility lanyard. Now that I can speak English again, great piece of kit. Great piece of kit. Plenty of reviews out there on these guys. Highly recommended. I'll pop him up there for the moment. Now we do get on to the interesting stuff. Skyline by Kershaw. Great blade. One of my all-time favourite blades. This actually rides in my left side, on my weak side. Well, being left is not weak. My old man's left-handed. Southpaw's rock. But that's on my left-hand side. That comes with me every day. Then depending, we have Spyderco Tenacious. This rides on my strong side. And there she is there, zip tie mod for wave, one-handed opening. Very, very handy. So that's pretty much what I carry every day on my standard equipment. But if I'm going somewhere that's a little bit rough, or if I have my daughter with me, I carry this one. And I'm actually carrying this one a lot more. Oh, sorry, the Resilience. I'm carrying this one most days now. I think it's because it's my favourite blade at the moment. Absolutely love it. For the price, you cannot go wrong with the resilience. Absolutely love it. Again, zip tie mod, wave feature, ease of opening. So I think that's pretty much it. That's my EDC, or variants of. In Australia we can't carry our firearms concealed carry or anything like that. Highly illegal, but at this stage that's what I carry and what I can legally show you. Anyway, as I say, check out Brothers Keeper 111. Great bloke, great channel. He's running a contest. Get over there and check him out. Alrighty guys, thank you very much. Please feel free to leave comments. Talk to you soon. Catches. G'day YouTube, Dishy here again, just showing a few different, well, how I carry my knives. That's one. First one was the Tenacious, this one is the Resilience. Very quick deployment. I've got to say thank you very much Crockett20, give me the heads up on these zip tie mods. Oh great. So that was the Tenacious and the Resilience. Obviously with the Skyline, if I'm normally carry this as my secondary, but obviously there's no wave on that one, it's tip down carry. So I either carry them in that pocket there, or in that pocket there. Obviously wave deployment's a lot easier out of this one. Alright guys.